Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase Royal Enfield diecast or scale model from the Royal Enfield official website. As you can see in the background, I have selected the image for the wallpaper just like this. So you can also purchase this module. Like, first of all, we have to go into the Chrome and select the website, that is store.royalenfield.com. I will provide the link in the description. So here you can see this is the model, or you can see, just search here Royal Enfield. As you can see, there are lots of models over here. You can buy any one, which one you like. I will show you more. Please wait. So when you search the Royal Enfield scale model in the search bar, you will get the result of the available models on the website. You can buy Interceptor or Thunderbird X in the 2D form, and other ones Meteor 3 Classic 350 and others in the 3D form. So it's that simple. You can just click on this product and you can see how it looks and choose your color and size. Select one size and add to cart. As you can see, select one size and then add to cart. It will add into the cart. After that, proceed on the checkout to fill your details, that is address and the phone number, and done payment, and you will get your order as soon as possible. As you can see over the here, they are shifting their upgrading their systems, so it's maybe they will delay. Okay, so that's for it today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and family members who wanted to buy these small scale models. Thank you.